Just a quick little tutorial on the OneDrive. Um, Kind of a workaround on the WeTransfer issue. I ran into it, probably the first one to find it today. It's actually pretty simple to do the OneDrive. Just go ahead and export like you normally would to wherever it is that you would normally export to. And then when you go and find that folder, you're going to look over here on the side. You may already have this on your computer. You may not. You may have to load it on. Mine, I actually had to establish it. If it does not say, see over here on this menu, if it does not say OneDrive Sinclair Broadcast Group, go down here into the bottom corner. I don't think you can see that on my screen save, but in the bottom corner in the search, just type in OneDrive and it'll bring up a thing. I have a folder that says OneDrive app. Double click that. It'll open up a menu, give you kind of a walkthrough. You have to sign in using your Sinclair login. And as soon as I did it, it popped up in that menu on the over here on the left side. I found that when you upload it to the OneDrive, it will disappear out of this folder. So just to help my filing system, what I've done is come down here and just copy and paste in the same file. Now I have a copy of the same VOSOT. This is the one I'm going to send to Laura Beth. What we're going to do is you right click, open up this menu, and say move to OneDrive. That opens up your OneDrive. It's an app. It looks exactly like your regular folder. It was so confusing to me. That's why I'm making this video. Now, if you notice, this little icon now has this little round thing. That means it's uploading. As soon as it's uploaded, it will change. So we're going to wait for it to upload. And it's going to take about as long as it would take for the normal WeTransfer to transfer. Okay, as you see now, this icon has a check mark, which meant that it is now uploaded into the OneDrive cloud. From this point, right click on it and come down to share. Click that, and it's going to ask you to enter the name of a person. I'm going to send this to Laura Beth. It'll take it a second, but her email will pop up. Yay, Laura Beth. And I sent it. And that's it. It's already loaded up to the OneDrive. It's already in the cloud. At that point, she doesn't even really have to download it. She just clicks on it and it's there. If you have any questions, give me a call. Yeah, it's actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be.